Quickly split a contour element at intersections with other elements. Start the macro and select the contour element that should be split. The element will be split at all intersections with other elements. However, the start or end points of these elements need to be positioned on the contour. Use the functions trimline or internal rules to prepare the pattern if needed. When splitting a curve, the shape of your element can be changed. To prevent this, the macro allows you to add extra curve points during the splitting process by clicking with the right mouse button. 2 additional curve points will be created before and after each splitting position. Check the dialog box for prompts. This macro generates a clone, allowing you to easily spot unwanted changes to the geometry as a result from splitting.